Welcome to Science Innovators. How are you all, children? Yes, right. You are all fine and safe in your home. Yes. Now, come back to our topic. The topic over here, look at the table. You are seeing so many things on the table. Yes, right, children? Now, you might have got an idea what we are going to discuss the topic today. Yes, right, children? In the last class, that is in the class 6, we have studied about our food and the different food items we eat every day. Yes, and now in class 7, we are going to study what are the different food components present in the food items that we are going to eat. So, now we are going to discuss each one of them. What are the different food items or different food components present in our food items that we eat in our daily life? Yes, right, children? As you all know, what is the regular food item you are going to have? Commonly, all the people in our state, mainly they are going to eat, yes, in your midday meal also you are going to eat rice, sambar, vegetables, like that. Yes, children? See, here you can see the rice, dal, and also you eat the egg. You also drink milk every day, I hope. And also you eat the curd also. And sometimes during your snacks or during the breakfast, you are going to have the bread. And the vegetables, every day you are going to have vegetables. And also you are going to eat the dry fruits. This is badam and kaju, and this is the dates, dry dates you are going to have. And sometimes for time pass you are going to have the junk food like this: Maggi, biscuits, chips, yes, oats, biscuits, and the chocolates. And we also drink water. Is it not? Yes, we also drink water. Now we'll discuss what are the different food components in our food. So today's topic we are going to discuss is food components. So here in this lesson, food components, we are going to discuss what are the different food components present in our different food items that we are going to eat. So the first food component which is present in our food item that we are going to eat are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. The next food component is proteins. And the next food components are fats. The next one are roughages. Roughages can also be called as dietary fiber. And the last one are vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. These are the different food components present in our food. So what are they? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, roughages can also be called as the dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals. So every day we have to take in our diet all these food components so that then only we will be healthy. As we have discussed in our class 6, without food we will not get energy. Without energy we cannot do any work. Even playing or any sort of work, it depends upon the energy we get. The energy how we are going to get? We get the energy from the food items we are going to take. So every day we have to take the food items which contains all these food components. So now we can simply define that the food components with all these carbohydrates, proteins, fats, roughages, vitamins and minerals, and lastly even water is also very much essential to our body for digestion of the food. So now we can define what is balanced diet. What is balanced diet, children? Here see the equal proportion of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, roughages and vitamins and minerals is nothing but balanced diet. So everybody has to follow a certain diet to be healthy and strong. And one more thing I would like to tell you. So here this is called as balanced diet. And next one, you eat lot of things like biscuits, chips, everything. See, on the packet, when you observe, here there is some nutritional value. On the packets, when you observe, there will be some nutritional value like carbohydrates, how much amount of protein it has, how much of energy we are going to get by eating this pack. Next, even every food item which is packed, always it contains the nutritional information. There is a small activity in your textbook. You have to fill up the table. How much of carbohydrate, how much of proteins, how much of fats and how much of energy we are going to get. This is nothing but the nutritional information which you are going to observe on any food packed items. Any of the food which is packed items, you are going to observe the nutritional information on the packet. And one more thing, very important, you have to notice, before buying or purchasing any item from the store, from the general store, before buying any of the food items, you have to first check the manufacturing date or the packing of the date and the expiry date of the product which you are buying from the shop, because the food may become contaminated or it may become spoiled after the expiry date. So it is very important, children, you have to look the date, for how long it is stable, that means when we can consume. After the expiry date, even though if you are using the product, you will become some sort of food infection. You will going to get some sort of food infection. So here, so many food items here we are seeing just now. So in the next session, we are going to see what are the different components present in each of these food items which just now we have seen. What are the different food components present in each of these food items by doing or by performing the experiments. Okay, I hope, children, you all got what are food components and what is balanced diet. Thank you.